Hi, I'm Alexander from Rene of Paris. Today I want to talk about Nyx, and here is Nyx. Amazing, cool, wearable, fun and playful. Just what we want to see in today's wigs. And she's amazing. She's heat friendly, so I love all that. Like the fact we can customize the curl or make it straighter. Very responsive to work with, you know, it's one of these pieces, for me, the more you shake it, the more you kind of texture it, the better it becomes. Very, very wearable, really cool little curly bob. Looking at the sides, I mean, the sides just look amazing. You've got a kind of, what's the word? A melody, a blend of, you know, ribbon curls, which are a little bit more formed, down to more beachy curls and broken curls, which really makes this look so on trend. Looking at the back of Nyx's, you can see where it sits, so it's just gonna sit, ladies, onto the collar length around about here, slightly past. So very wearable, won't bounce off the shoulder. So, you know, very active wig in the sense that you don't have to give it too much work. Wear it and go, looks amazing. This is Nyx, and I think she's just fabulous. Look at the sides, look at the back. I think she's great. Let's take a look at the cap. Nyx is a heat-friendly wig with a monopart, extended lace, an open wefted cap, and adjustable straps at the nape.